know when you go trick-or-treating and there's always that one house that hands out king-size candy bars and the other house that hands out toothbrushes? Well, we hand out library news. So there's that. Here's what's happening this week in the libraries. Come and learn how to create visually compelling posters that effectively communicate your research and ideas. From impactful design elements to presentation techniques, the design and presentation workshop will guide you through the essentials. Perfect for students preparing for class projects, showcases, or conferences, this Come and Go workshop will allow you to work on your projects, receive feedback, and learn new skills. The workshop is being hosted in Discovery Park Library in room B112 on October 23rd from 1 to 4 p.m. See you there. We are excited to share that the Open Access Symposium will be held on October 25th, 2024 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. via Zoom. This is a free virtual event that you can attend all sessions or just some of them. Open Access, or OA, means free access to information and unrestricted use of electronic resources for everyone. We hope that you'll join us and share this announcement with others. Visit the link below to register for the event, view the schedule, and explore more presentation descriptions. Lip Picks, sweet tasting like candy, but sugar-free. This is your reminder as we get closer to the end of the semester, course reserves are available to you with your student ID. Need to do a quick refresh for an exam on a course material? Course reserves can help with that, as these materials are collected by the university and faculty for students to check out for up to a 24-hour period. Want to see if your course has materials available for checkout? Visit library.unt.edu/services/course reserves to get started. Did you know that the UNT Libraries has access to over 700 databases to help with your research? Whether you're looking for academic search complete or looking for a database that is a little bit more specific, we've got you covered. Please note that some databases may require for you to be on campus, using our VPN, or entering your EUID to access their materials. You can get started on database searching using the link below. Did you know at Willis, our 5 floors have different noise levels and recommended study styles? Our first and second floors are social floors, great for meeting with friends to study, and are the loudest of the 5. While in contrast, our basement is a very quiet floor intended for solo study. And lastly, our 3rd and 4th floors are quieter than the 1st and 2nd floors, but make for great solo and group project study spaces. To learn more about our spaces, visit library.unt.edu/spaces. Well, that is all the library news we have for today. Be sure to check us out next week for more info, and as always, check out our websites at library.unt.edu for all of the resources available to you. See ya!